This is a 2006 Lincoln Mark LT. It has a 5.4-liter, 8-cylinder engine, a 4-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, heated front seats, speed-sensitive volume controls, a premium audio system, and aluminum wheels. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a CD player, leather seats, a passenger side vanity mirror, the Secure Lock anti-theft system, a traction control system, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this Lincoln qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Summit Toyota of Akron is conveniently located at 1501 Vernon Odom Boulevard in Akron. Contact us today to find out about our financing specials or visit us at summittoyotaofakron.com.